Are you looking for the top 5 affordable mirrorless cameras of 2025? Whether you're just starting or ready to upgrade your gear without breaking the bank, I've done the research and picked out the best value mirrorless cameras that pack in performance, portability, and quality. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump into our number 5 pick. Number 5. Let's start with the Canon EOS M200, a beginner-friendly mirrorless camera that's compact, intuitive, and reliable. It features a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor with Canon's DIGIC X image processor, producing crisp images and natural colors. Whether you're photographing people, pets, or places, you'll get quality results with little effort. The camera supports full HD video at 60 frames per second, which is ideal for vlogs, Instagram Reels, and everyday videos. Autofocus is handled by dual Pixel CMOS AF, which locks onto faces and subjects quickly and smoothly, making it ideal for recording yourself on the go. The 3.0-inch flip-up LCD screen allows you to easily frame selfies, flat lays, or overhead shots, and the touch interface makes navigating menus easy. You'll also get built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to instantly transfer images or remotely control the camera with your smartphone. It comes with a versatile EF-M 15-45mm lens covering a wide range of subjects, from landscapes to casual portraits. Although it doesn't shoot in 4K, the full HD quality is clean, detailed, and perfect for online use. Suppose you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use mirrorless camera that excels at the basics and seamlessly integrates with your phone. In that case, the Canon EOS M200 is a smart and budget-friendly option for getting started. Number 4. The Sony Alpha A6000, a proven favorite that remains one of the best value mirrorless cameras available. It features a 24.3 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Bion's X processor, delivering sharp, fast results and vibrant images even in low light conditions. Its 179-point phase detection autofocus system is lightning fast, helping you nail the shot whether you're photographing sports, kids, or street scenes. One of the highlights is its 11 FPS continuous shooting, which allows you to capture split-second action with accuracy and speed. The camera features a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder and a tilting LCD screen, allowing you to shoot comfortably from various angles. Though it doesn't support 4K, it shoots smooth, detailed Full HD 1080p video that's more than enough for social media and casual video creators. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, enabling easy image sharing or wireless control from your smartphone. The included 16-50mm power zoom lens is compact and practical, giving you a good range for everyday content. Suppose you're looking for a fast, high-quality camera with a solid reputation and excellent autofocus at an entry-level price. In that case, the A6000 remains a top choice even years after its release. Number 3. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. At number 3, we've got the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, a beautifully compact and stylish mirrorless camera that's easy to travel with and packed with modern features. It features a 20-megapixel Live MOS Micro Four Thirds sensor, delivering clear and vibrant photos in most lighting conditions. One standout feature is 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which significantly reduces blur in handheld photos and helps smooth out your video footage. It supports 4K video at 30 frames per second, and its flip-down LCD screen is ideal for vlogging or capturing creative angles. You'll also benefit from face and eye detection AF, which tracks and locks onto your subject, ideal for selfies, family photos, or recording solo. The included 14-42mm M.Zuiko lens is compact and versatile, enough for both expansive landscapes and close-ups, making it a great all-around lens for daily use. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth provide easy ways to share images or control the camera from your phone using the Olympus app. The camera's retro-style body looks great, and at just over 12 ounces, it's ideal for creators on the move. If you're a traveler, beginner, or enthusiast seeking a stylish mirrorless camera with in-body stabilization and 4K video capabilities, the Olympus EM10 Mark IV is a fantastic choice. Number 2. In the number 2 spot, we've got the Sony ZV-E10, a camera purpose-built for YouTubers, content creators, and vloggers who want a full-featured setup without the complexity. It features a 24.2 APS-C sensor, giving you cinematic depth of field and excellent low-light performance. It captures stunning 4K video with full pixel readout, meaning you get more detail and less moire in your footage. The fully articulating LCD touchscreen flips out sideways, so it's perfect for selfies, product demos, or handheld vlogging. The built-in directional 3-capsule microphone features a windscreen that helps reduce background noise when shooting outdoors. It also features product showcase mode, which quickly switches the focus between your face and the object you hold up to the camera. Other features such as background defocus, USB-C live streaming, and headphone and mic ports make it a dream for solo creators. It supports fast file transfer and easy smartphone pairing, making your workflow faster than ever. Lightweight and compact, the ZV-E10 is compatible with Sony's full range of E-mount lenses, allowing you to expand your setup as your skills develop. If you're a creator seeking versatility, ease of use, and high-quality 4K video, the Sony ZV-E10 is a solid choice. Number 1. At the top of our list is the Canon R50, the best all-around affordable mirrorless camera of 2025. It's powered by a 24.2 APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's DIGIC X image processor, giving you fast performance, vibrant color, and low noise in both photo and video. What sets it apart is its uncropped 4K video at 30 FPS, a massive win for creators who want the full frame captured without compromise. Autofocus is handled by dual Pixel CMOS AF, which includes subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, resulting in incredibly accurate tracking. It includes a fully articulating touchscreen, ideal for vlogging, sit-down content, or filming vertically for social media. The camera connects via built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can upload photos, control the camera, or live stream with ease. The included RF-S 18-45mm lens is wide enough for indoor shots and sharp enough for daily shooting. You also get creative features like vertical video support, time-lapse, scene modes, and filters, making this camera fun to use right out of the box. If you're looking for the most well-rounded, user-friendly, and creator-ready mirrorless camera under a budget, the Canon R50 is the one to beat. Let's quickly recap. Let's wrap things up with a quick recap of the best affordable mirrorless cameras of 2025. The Canon EOS M200 is ideal for beginners seeking simplicity, portability, and clean Full HD video without complications. The Sony Alpha A6000 remains a fast and reliable classic, offering quick autofocus and burst shooting for action, family, or travel photography. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV stands out with its in-body stabilization, compact retro design, and 4K video capabilities, making it ideal for creators on the move. The Sony ZV-E10 is a top choice for vloggers and YouTubers with 4K video, a flip-out screen, and audio features designed for solo creators. And the Canon R50 delivers the best overall value, offering uncropped 4K, subject tracking, and a fully articulating screen in a lightweight, creator-ready package. No matter your skill level or shooting style, there's a smart, budget-friendly mirrorless option here just for you. There you have it, our picks for the 5 best affordable mirrorless cameras of 2025. Which one are you leaning toward? Drop your pick in the comments. And if this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our following camera gear guide.